Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with a working Jazz Digit 4G line and enough data. Make sure your APN matches Jazz or Digit. Install a trusted VPN app now and grant required permissions so the tunnel can create. Once done, open the VPN and pick a server region that meets your goals, speed, or access. Make sure mobile data is enabled and Wi-Fi is off so the VPN routes over 4G. This gets you into the connection flow quickly with minimal friction. You now configure the VPN for performance and reliability. Select ICAV 2 for fast reconnections or OpenVPN if you need custom ports. Choose UDP for throughput unless your link drops packets. Make sure Kill Switch and Auto Reconnect are enabled so your traffic never leaks when signal fluctuates. If sites time out, change DNS or lower MTU in advanced settings to match Jazz network quirks. After applying these, connect and watch the app report handshake. You finish by verifying the VPN changed your public IP and location. That proves the tunnel works. If speed is poor, switch servers or protocols and toggle 4G/LTE in your network settings to see which gives lower latency. Make sure battery saver is off and background data is allowed for the VPN. If you still can't connect, restart the device and reinstall the app. And if problems persist, contact Jazz support to confirm APN and network blocks. One key troubleshooting step that often results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.